So I want to talk for just a brief moment about your value proposition. We've all been through these workout sessions at one time or another: mission, vision, values. Maybe we spend a few days on it, maybe longer, and then it's put on the shelf. We don't ever look at it. Or maybe we pridefully put it out there on our insurance agency website and nobody really cares about it, right? So your value proposition is that thing that makes you demonstrably different and better than the alternative. I can buy insurance. I'll do the whole thing online, Geico, Progressive, whatever. Um, I can go to a captive agency. People even know what that is. I can go to another independent insurance agency. So saying something like we're an independent insurance agency by itself isn't going to get you anywhere. People don't know what that is. You have to connect the dots for them. And if you say something like we're an independent insurance agency, that means we represent a lot of companies. Um, that doesn't mean anything. It doesn't. It's not. It doesn't demonstrably make you different and better than every other independent insurance agency that's out there. So you need to connect the dots. What does that mean? Well, it means that your insurance needs are going to change. They're different today than when you got the policy that got a year ago. They're going to be different next year. Everything's going to change with insurance. This gives us the flexibility always to find you the right coverage, whether you're a new client or at renewal or any point along the way, to find the right combination of coverage, deductibles to make sure you're protected and we're nice to your wallet, right? Another approach, and this is really important on the web, and we want to have a compelling value proposition right on the homepage if we can, because you get a couple of seconds to capture somebody's attention and imagination, or they're going to leave and go somewhere else. We want them to stay on your website. We want them to click and go deeper. And quantifying a value proposition is a good way to do that. It's easier for people to wrap their head around it and grasp it. So something like, 50 million Elvis fans can't be wrong. We have a 4.9 star Google rating and 179 reviews. That's why you can trust us. You can work with us, right? That kind of thing. So think about your value proposition. Is it compelling? Is it going to keep somebody on your website? Again, having a quantifiable value proposition is one way to go, but there's others. But just this sort of flaccid, we're an independent insurance agency, we represent a lot of companies. That's probably not going to be compelling to anybody.